we have to do polynomial part 3, exercise 2.2, question number 2. Okay. Now, we have to make the quadratic polynomial with sum and product are given. Question number 1, sum and products are given. If the sum and products are given, then the polynomial Px, the formula for that polynomial Px is equal to x square. Actually, we should write k also. And sum and products are given, we can make infinite number of polynomials. K into x square minus sum of the zeros. Sum, I'm writing in short, sum plus product. That is alpha into beta. Sum is alpha into beta and product is alpha into beta. The same thing we can write in this way. If alpha and beta are given, is their roots are given, then we can say x square minus sum means sum of the roots alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. So one thing keep in mind, if sum and product are given or alpha beta are given, we can make infinite number of polynomials. Roots are given, we can make infinite number of polynomials because of this k. K is a arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant means we can put any value, 1, 2, 3, whatever we want, we can put, and we can make infinite number of polynomials. But if the quadratic polynomial is given, then we can have only 2 zeros. Okay, these two things you keep in mind. If a polynomial is given, if a quadratic polynomial is given, one thing, if the polynomial is given, suppose 3x square plus 2x plus 5, if a quadratic polynomial is given, if a quadratic polynomial is given, then it will have 2 zeros. They may be equal and distinct. 2 zeros always. But if alpha and beta are given, means if roots are given, we can make infinite number of polynomials. If roots are given, roots or zeros, it's actually the same thing, roots or zeros. Roots or zeros of a quadratic polynomial are given, then we can make infinite number of polynomials. We can make infinite number of polynomials by putting different different values of k. So generally this k, in some books k is not given. So that is actually, it should be wrong, because k we can put 1. So they are taking always 1. So they are getting only one answer. So we will find one answer only. Whatever k is given, not given, we can make any value of k to make it means uh, uh, to make it free from fractions or radicals. So x square minus sum. Sum is given here in question number 1. In question number 1, sum is 1 by 4 and product is minus 1. So we can put directly sum as 1 by 4 x minus product is 1. So but we try to make fractionless, means this 4. In order to avoid 4, we can put k is equal to 4, so that this 4 will be removed. So we can put, or we can let k is equal to any value. As I told you, k is a arbitrary constant. We can put any value. So we will put the suitable value. So let k is equal to 4. Then dx will be equal to 4 into x square minus 1 by 4x minus 1, and multiply 4 inside. So this will become 4x minus x and minus 4. This is the required polynomial. Hmm. Which is the required polynomial. Which is the required polynomial. If it is not coming in the fraction, then we will put k is equal to 1. Here also 1 upon 3. Let's take one example. Suppose question number 4. In question number 4, dx is equal to k x square. Sum is 1. So minus 1 x, 1 into x, and plus product is also 1. So we are getting this one. So no need of putting any other value. So we will take k is equal to 1. So let k is equal to 1. We get dx is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So you will find this answer in the textbook. So you can see that if k I will put k is equal to 2, we will get another answer 3. We will get, so like this we can put any value of k to get infinite answers. But when the fraction is not given, we will put 1 and we will find only one answer. That's enough. Similarly, second question is px is equal to k. Are you getting? K is into x square minus root 2 x plus 1 by 3. Again, we got 1 by 3. So this 1 by 3 should be removed. So to remove it, we will let k is equal to 3. And in textbook also, you will find the answer like this. Dx is equal to, put k is equal to 3 and multiply 3 inside. So this will become 3x square minus 3 root 2x and plus 3. Similarly, in fifth, sixth, we will put k is equal to 1, and in fifth, we have to substitute k is equal to 4 because 1 by 4 is coming. So dx is equal to k into x square minus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4, and let k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. Hmm. So we get 4 multiply inside. So 4x square
Plus x square.
4x minus x. Sorry, minus x. 4 will get it. Minus x plus 1. So the students are just, if k, they are not considering the k. So here they will get 4 as LCM. Then 4 will come here. 4x square minus x minus 1. And this 4, when you see the answer, you will not find that 4. So they are getting confused where it has gone. So this is the concept of writing it. Got it? Okay. So divide, this is what we are using division algorithm. We are using division algorithm to find quotient and remainder. And what is division algorithm? Division algorithm. But this is here for polynomials. Division algorithm is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So generally we are writing dividend as Tx. Tx is the dividend divided by Px is divided by Gx. You can see this Gx dividing Px. So Px is divided by Gx, then we are getting quotient. The quotient is denoted by Qx and plus remainder Rx. And but here there is a condition that where degree of where either Rx should be 0, remainder should be 0, or the degree of Rx means power. Degree means highest power. So degree of Rx always less than the degree of Qx quotient. So we will divide till the degree of Rx will become the less than the degree of quotient. Okay. When we are dividing, we have to go till the degree of Rx should become less than the degree of quotient. Then only
Excuse
our
me, sir.
division. Then our division and yes,
So is that r by x equals 0, or is that equal to sign or some other sign?
is equal to Rx is equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
Either Rx is equal to 0, okay, or degree of Rx is less than degree of Qx. So we are going to divide. Okay, I will show you the division. The question number 1. Here we have to divide. We have done in question these types of question in class 9 also. So we have to divide x cube minus 3x square. Question number 1. 3x square plus 5x minus 3. And it is divided by x square minus 2. And here we get quotient. So here we get qx. Here qx will come. Here qx and here at last rx. Remainder will come. So degree of remainder should be less than the degree of quotient. Degree means highest power. Degree of this dividend is x cube 3 and divisor is 2. So as you know that we have to make x cube. So x square multiply with x. So it will become x cube will become x cube and minus correct minus 2x. Okay, and then similarly with this we have to change the signs always minus plus, and this will cancel. We get minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2x. So this will become 7x and minus 3 as it is. Now we have to bring minus 3x square. So multiply with, now after dividing first stage, every stage you should check. Here the degree of 2 is, here degree of remainder is 2 and degree of quotient is 1. So it should be less than the degree of the remainder.
Remainder,
So
remainder.
it should be less than equal to the degree of quotient. Now divide by 3 means minus 3. When you multiply minus 3, minus 3x square and minus minus plus 3 to the 6, and here you have to change the sign, minus, you get 7x minus 9. Okay, 7x minus 9. Now you can see degree of the remainder becomes equal to degree of the quotient. The degree of remainder should be less than or equal to. Here, there is the sign equal to will also come out here. That is missing. Let me check. Yes. So actually R is greater than equal to 0 and less than B. Yes, this should be greater than equal to 0 or less than equal to degree of QX. Degree of Rx should be less than equal to degree of Gx divisor, not Qx. So here you can see the here degree is here. This is what? This is dividing Gx, this is Gx, and this is Qx as I have it Qx, this is Qx, and this is remainder Rx. Okay. So its degree is 1, degree of remainder is 1, here 2. So we got the degree of Rx is less than the degree of Gx. So always this degree should become less than this, then we can stop here. We cannot divide further. This is 2, we will get less than 2 degree. Then we have to stop. So we have to find quotient. Therefore, our answer is quotient is equal to x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. So less than a minute is left. So I'm going to restart the meeting. Just join again. Join again, okay?
So should we join at
Yes.
8:50?
Join
Let
now.
this join again, right?
Yeah. There is no gap between them. Huh? Just join now.